Hi! So it's August 4 in the morning. And mag-change tag beddings kay baho na kay kasiya. So mo na mong storage diri. Storage area. Na diri ang among bedding. Ako panghabu ang ugnan niya. Naraday sa ubos kwao ng beddings. Bright. So, mani ang pamasalong beddings. Naka-full garterize. And plain color. Kanami baby. Yes, plain color. Dat mo ang plain color imong gamitan kay. Ayan. Kung naibuling makita dayon. Pero guling barot ko na pum. Itong buy one take one. Baby Sky, come here. Baby. You're so busy. Okay, pakita na ko sa niya ang gibuhat sa pang baby. Let's see. Kipuntan. Busy? Gibungkag ang anagun. Iningon ani kagugot ang morning. Kani, nagpundok dari. Tapat ni Baby Sky is koan, naghunon. Ay ga, mapaibutang ni diya sa kuan ning anagon. Kito ni Sky. Sa banggira ba, kaya ako nang lutoon. Dili na makaon. Hilaw pa ni. Uy, no, lagi dili lagi ni makaon kay hilaw pa. Maputol ni kikaon gabi iba mo. Una-una na ako, mahurot na dyan ako ni. Kanira, Na, dada, kuha ni dada. Sis kay dada, mag-cry-cry, Pagod ka. Diri ka, Di smile. Uy, dili mag-cry-cry. Nasuko sila. Baby Sky, how old are you? Say, I am 1 year in 2 months. On August 6, I will be 1 year and 3 months. Yeah. Say yeah. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, Miss Kayga. Thumbs up. Like this, Thumbs up. Your turn. This one. Fold and up. Thumbs up. Good job. Blow a kiss. Ay, good job. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Dali, Thank you. Thank you. Kiss. Didi, where's your didi? Where's your didi? Where's your didi? Wow. Didi ka mama? Didi mama? Nuno? Si dada. Na, Nuno. Kana may Nuno. Ay! Hello. Hi. Where's your hair? Good job. How about your eyes? Your eyes. Yeah. How about your nose? Good job. Your mouth. Your teeth. Good job. Your tongue. Oh, wow, your ears. How about your hands? Wow. How about your tiil? Your tiil. Where's your tiil? Good job. Stomping your feet. Where's your tummy? Good job. Where's your lap? Lap, lap, lap. This one. This is your lap. Mm. Thank you. Thank you. What's that? Give dada. Give dada ka, bibi. Kadada mo na, give dada, bibi. Dada, oh. Give dada. Sige, give dada. Dada ko, dada, oh. Ko agang, tipin mo na, ga. Thank you. High five. High five, bibi. Na. Hala. Abel magpangubi. Oh no, gisiradaan na. Open. Bagon sa kaga. Mag-fried ta? Lay idibol. It's baby Sky.
Baby.
Oh, baby.
Baby.
Yeah. No, baso na, baso. Baso na. Dili ni pwede dulaan sa baby. Come here. Dali. Dili ta mag-play, ah. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Baby shark. Okay, bite your teeter. Bite. Bite it. Good job. You did. How about shake your shaker? Shake your shaker in the air. Shake it here, shake it there. Wow. Shake it, shake it. Shake your shaker, shake it. Shake your shaker, shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Good job, me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, siguro, gamay man ang alin, no? Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on. Good job, me. These little children are asking you to please come down so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on. Good job! You're so good. Mwah. Me. Iba na siya masumpay.
Yeah.
Lisa. Pika! Boo! Can you get out your two hands? 1, 2. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them crawl. Creep them crawl. Right up to your Chin, chin, chin. Nadaling chin. Open wide your little mouth. Nakita. But do not let them in. Talbihag, mamahag. Nakita ng mic. Mara pa niya mong gikakwanan gapon. Gikaundangan. Kaya nakita niyang mic. Mingawo na taning bandiyong nga sunod, Sky. Kung maka in imong mama, Sky. Alagsa na ta makainganing mabuntag sa'yo. No? And then, Mama! Ayaw na si Sky. Mama! Mama! Mama, say Mama. Mama!
Mama.
Good job! Can you read one more time? Mama.
Mama.
Bakit sa camera? Yes, naku. It's already 11 minutes, and I think that's okay. And palungon na. Manato ang time.